Yo, this your boy D Money, right? Yo, this is Bomb Boys. Shout out to Lowe's, shout out to Tim, shout out to Ease, shout out to everybody that fuck with me. If you don't fuck with me, fuck you, you heard? Now, what I wanted to do here. I wanted to say this is the last freestyle of 2012, you feel me? Saturday. I mean, 2013 is here, man. 2013 is here. I can't believe that shit. I thank God for that. You know what I mean? Like, boom. But this is the last freestyle here. I'm gonna put it on for y'all right here. Y'all heard of that beat, All Go Everything? I'm gonna get on that beat. Yeah. Yeah, this deep money, don't fuck with me. Yeah, the bitches out there stuck with me. Oh, girl, everything. Nigga, you ain't fucking with it. You already know that this bitch say sucking on it. Yo, I'm too nice for that. Fuck that. I'ma fall back, cause you know a nigga got that. Look, man, I'm trying to chill. But a nigga like me, all I do is sit back and I just keep it real. Damn, I'm real loose. But I ain't with him now. But you already know I got to get him now. We about to spark up. We about to hit the mall. We about to get the mad bitches that we about to call. Look. Yeah, we know how we do it. Fuck that. When I rap a spitting bomb fluid. So a nigga like that, yeah, I gotta do it. You just don't know what a nigga going through it. Yeah, it be like all that. But you know me, bitches never call back. Gotta be that nigga. So you know I already know I'm just that nigga, yeah. Black nigga. I'm a black nigga. But go with everything. Tell these bitches they can hold everything. Except for money. I don't play that shit. I'ma fall back and then I'm about to play that shit. Gotta hit it again, spit it again, and everybody know I spit it to win. I'm too nice for you, I'm too hype for you. I'm already coming out the door and fight for you. Look, man, I got to play for your test. Money, I'ma get it every day. I don't give a damn about the rest. Niggas out there don't really play, so you know what nigga gotta keep it like that. Fuck that, I'ma get it where they write that. Like that, and a nigga gotta write that. And if a bitch bite me, I gotta bite back. So you already know I'm about to pipe that. I hit it from the back, I know a bitch like that. So I gotta get it. And you already know it that I gotta get it. I don't go with everything, man, yeah, in my fitted. But it's purple, and I don't give a damn, nigga. I roll around with pants like Virgo. It's like I'm just playing with you. You know me, I'm out there really spraying with you. A nigga like me, yo, without rain with you. So you already know I'm just aiming for you. Coming out the dome again. Fuck that, I'ma play Home Alone again. Carly Culkin, you already know what niggas say talking. But I'm out there walking, and I'm chilling in the streets, and I'm about to pop a molly, and the nigga just popped another molly, and I said, woo! Yo, I'm just hot at this. About to show these niggas not why they not at this. And I don't give a damn, I'm about to get it again. See, I'm about to be like Killer Cameron, I'm a killer man. Gotta kill him, man. I gotta hit him now. And I don't get a damn. Nigga, we gon' get him now. We gon' put the mask on. And we about to cock the burners back and blast on. And you already know a nigga got the cast on. So we gotta get the bass wrist bass on. Look, where the fucking bass at it? You already know, nigga, I'm a smoking addict. I love to smoke the trees. I love to smoke the weed. Every time they came to see me, bitches can't even believe. I got 40 ounces, got a whole sack. You already know that my niggas got my back. That is my family. We always strapped. Gotta get money every day cause I'm black. We was on the struggle. Still popping things like they all a bubble. And I don't give a damn, nigga, you in trouble. Yeah, I came around for triple, fuck double. Niggas ain't know my shit. All go with everything. Yeah, all go with everything. Yeah. Yo, I need to smoke some more. I'm about to get in my zone. We out.